back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another work from home job lead for you. This one is exciting because it is a non-phone customer success manager position, and I think the manager is what makes it such high paying. If you've worked in customer service jobs for a long time, if you've racked up years and years of customer service experience, you've fine-tuned your customer service skills, and you've even been known to train new hires as the seasoned employee. If you have been growing those customer service and leadership skills over the years, management is where you need to look. Supervisor management roles, they are high paying, but use the same skills that you've been honing for years now. So we're going to dive on in. I do just want to note this position is hiring both remote in the United States and in Canada. Canada has a different application page. This one will say remote US. I do have a second page linked down in the YouTube description box, and it'll say remote Canada. So make sure, depending on your country, that you are on the correct page. The job descriptions are absolutely the same on both. The company Unity, again, is looking for a customer success manager for their Parsec division. So they are looking for somebody to own and engage with a portfolio of 300 plus customers using scalable channels such as email, surveys, webinars, in-app messaging, in-app onboarding, etc. So all of these non-phone communication channels, you will own, supervise, and report on the customer health and other critical metrics. You'll be developing and implementing end-to-end scaled programs for onboarding, engagement, renewal, and expansion outcomes. You'll proactively onboard customers, driving success, deployment, and adoption of the Parsec products and offerings. You'll also identify risk and opportunities in your portfolio and establish success plans with the customer needs in mind. Now, they are not requiring any kind of college degree. They're looking for someone who's proven experience in customer success or customer lifecycle marketing, customer experience, or similar roles. So some kind of customer service experience. Someone who has proven success in achieving renewal and expansion targets. Someone who has great analytical skills, and they are looking for someone who has experience in using different communication platforms such as Marketo, HubSpot, etc. And they want somebody who has a strong personal drive and initiative. Now, of course, a salary was not listed in their job description. So again, I did a little bit of digging on Glassdoor, and a customer success manager at Unity makes anywhere from $129,000 a year all the way up to $226,000 a year. So again, it pays to be in the supervisor management leadership roles if you've gotten years of experience of customer service under your belt. As always, if this job lead was not for you, that's okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind when I am out here searching for job leads to share. I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.